poppin' savages? It's your girl Ashleysavoi. If you are new, welcome to the channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please make sure that you subscribe right down here. Click the bell notification icon so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And to my OG ride or die savage subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and working with your girl on another video. Okay, so today is a different video. So today's video is taking the place of vlog day 2 for Vlogmas, but I have been meaning to get this video out to you guys for a long time. This is like 6-7 months ago. You know, right now there's nothing in my hair at all. I just washed it and conditioned it. So I think today we're gonna do a big chop. So my hair has been natural for, I want to say 5 years. I went natural right after I had my middle child, so I've been natural for that long, and she was born in 2014. So yeah, 5 years natural. So today, yeah, I've been trying to talk myself out of cutting it. But there's just too many reasons for me to feel like I need to cut it. My son is back here playing his Xbox, so if y'all hear him, I apologize, but I'm a mother. That's what happens, okay? So I want to talk to you guys a little bit about my hair journey and why I'm deciding to cut my hair. I'm still in my head trying to talk myself out of it, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Last year, I actually got sick with pneumonia and was unable to like work, and I feel like I was under a lot of stress because like I had just gotten a place. You guys saw my empty apartment tour, and so because I couldn't work because I was so sick, I was really stressed out. So I was super depressed, super stressed, and I feel like that stress just brought on a lot of different things. I started experiencing a little bit of what I would say is a little bit of eczema, some dry patches on my skin. I developed a really odd skin condition on my lips, and that caused them to be extremely dry. So if you ever see me without chapstick, tell me something, because my lips is hella dry. And then I also started experiencing hair loss. So I'm going to show you guys some of my hair loss. It's what I think may be alopecia areata, which can be triggered by stress. So I'm going to show you guys some of the spots that I have, and this is like one of the biggest reasons why I feel like I need to cut my hair. So it started in the center of my head, more so in the back, but you know, I have a newer little spot here in the front. The hair started to grow back, so these little bald spots have been here for a while, but I've been figuring out ways to grow them back. And then also, if I can show y'all, the center of my head is also, I experienced a lot of hair loss. I experienced a lot of hair loss back there, and as you can see, it's growing back. I've had to like Google some remedies, which I will discuss later for you guys in another video. Also, I've been experiencing a lot of shedding, like my hair just falling out, and just like too many, like I have too much shed hair after washing my hair in the shower, so it just seems abnormal, and I just kind of want to start fresh, and I want to figure out what's going on with my scalp, and just be able to see what's going on, because it's hard to see with all this hair. So I just figure if I cut most of it off, I'll be able to rehabilitate the damaged part of my scalp. Trying to figure out why my hair even started falling out in the first place. I have not seen a dermatologist. I've been referred to dermatologists by family members, but I just haven't gone. I've been trying to just figure it out myself because I really don't want to pay no dermatologist. Okay, this is my hair without product. And I just I really do love my curl pattern, and I really wanted to just grow my hair out, but like I've been natural for like almost 5 years, and this is as long as my hair is. So I'm gonna show y'all, hold on. From the back, this is my hair. Which some people say is long, but to me, for being natural for 5 years, my hair should be longer. I've had to cut it a few times because of damage, and here I am again cutting it. But we're doing a very significant change. So I hope that anybody out there who is contemplating doing the big chop, go for it. If that's what you really want to do, just make sure it's really what you want to do, because you can't put the hair back in your head. So originally I wanted to just go really short, and like super short. But I also understand I have to be able to cover up the bald spots in my head that are still growing back. So I'm gonna cut my hair to where it's just long enough to cover those spots if I need to. But if all else fails, I have some trusty wigs I can throw on my head in the meantime. And I'm gonna leave my hair long enough to hopefully do some protective styling. But like I said, one of the biggest reasons why is because of the bald spots. And because of those bald spots, I can't do anything to my hair. I can't do braids, I can't do twists, like I can't do any of that. So I just would rather cut it, rehabilitate my scalp, and then go from there. So I'm hoping that I cut it at a good length to where I can cover up the bald spots. But if I can't, I will throw a hat on or throw on a wig. So let's jump into this. I'm very scared. Also, today I'm gonna be using these scissors, old school teacher scissors. Do not come for me in the comments. This is all that I have. It was either this or kitchen shears, and I think we're gonna go with these today. I think I'm gonna rubber band it and cut it so that I don't have too much mess. So let me go get my rubber band. I think I'm gonna do like a big piece in the center of my head. Let me just put my hair into like 5 sections. I think that's gonna be good. So I'll go back here and go half. I have some newer bald spots in my scalp too, so that's also been a reason. It's just like every time I feel my scalp or examine my scalp, I find new bald spots, and it's just like, okay, we gotta figure out what's going on. I just don't want to have all this hair in my head if it's gonna fall out. I want to go pretty short, but I'm trying to see. We'll just go out like here. That's really short. Oh. So more than likely I'm gonna cut behind the rubber bands, like back here. Wow, that's so short.
Nice.
Do I want to go that short? I'm gonna go that short. Okay. All right, so I have my 5 sections. I'm gonna be cutting underneath the rubber band so that I don't have such a mess with hair to pick up after all of this. Right now I'm visualizing my hair this short. I wanna say this is how short it was when I first big chopped. I had about 2 inches of hair. So I think we're gonna be at like 2.5 inches. And if I wanna go short, I will, but I think I'm just playing it safe by going to like 2 inches so that I can have enough hair to cover up these bald spots. So, oh my God. I'm about to really cut my hair. What am I gonna do with all this? First of all, I want y'all to see what the back of my head looks like. I don't even know what it looks like. So I don't know if you can see, I got some hair loss back here, hair loss back here. Obviously in the middle of the top. And I also have some other spots that you can't see. They're like up under here, probably close to here. They're under this section, but okay. Aiden, I'm about to cut my hair.
Can I give you one hug before you do?
Yeah, you can give me a hug.
I don't want you to cut your hair.
Why?
It looks better when...
I can't do...
After you cut it, are you going to wear a wig?
Yeah. Oh. I might wear it out, though. It's going to just be short and curly.
Okay.
So it should be fine, right? It'll grow back, right?
Yes, just like my hair.
Your hair grows fast, though. All right, we're doing it.
5, 4.
Don't do a countdown.
Why?
Because it's going to make me nervous. All right, Aiden, you ready?
Yeah. No. Cut it. Cut it whenever you want to.
Oh my God, I'm scared. Okay, you ready?
No, but just do it. Stop being
Okay.
scared.
Oh my God.
What?
I'm cutting my hair. I'm cutting my freaking hair. Oh my God.
What?
I'm actually cutting it. I'm just very surprised because... I just got... Oh my God. I just cut it. Oh my God. I haven't cut this much hair since I big chopped 5 years ago. It's not a lot of hair, but for me it's a lot of hair.
You haven't cut your hair since you were 21?
Yes, 20.
No, it's 21 or 26.
Well, I was 21 when I cut it. Oh my God, it's so short in the back.
Look at this.
I just really
Look at this. She really cut her hair.
I just really cut my hair. Okay, now I have to finish. Okay.
Can I block the camera until you're done?
No.
Okay.
I had to show it on camera.
Why? Look at this. That is sad.
That is sad.
Oh, this could be.
Why is it not cutting?
Yay, look at me, Mom.
Aiden, go somewhere.
Look at me. Look at
I'm
me.
trying to keep my sanity.
Look at this, Mom.
What?
Thanks for cutting your hair.
Stop.
Can you glue that to my hair?
No.
Can you?
Throw that stuff away.
What? Why can't you have a nice memory of your stuff?
Really? Okay, so camera cut off, but I cut this back piece. Okay. After I cut it, we're going to style it. I haven't styled short hair in forever, and I didn't get comfortable with styling my hair until after my hair was past my little afro stage. So we're gonna see what we can do with this. I'm in no way a professional, by the way, so I don't want to hear nobody coming for me about the method that I used to cut my hair, because I'm sure it's not good. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at all my hair.
That's sad.
My hair.
You kind of.
Okay. So I'm officially a bald head hoe. I really want to go shorter than this, but we're going to do this. This feels so weird because my hair's not been this short in forever. And when it was this short, I had no idea what to do with it. So I can tell it's uneven. So I'm just brushing it out so I can trim around and do something with it. All right, so you can see it's kind of uneven back here, so I'm just gonna shape it up.
You better not.
Yeah, we're just gonna leave it alone. Y'all, look, my hair is short. It's short now. What the heck? I can't even do a high puff. Can't even do a ponytail. So I attempted to style my hair after cutting it. It was not doing what I wanted to do. Like I said in the video, it had been so long since my hair had been this short, so trying to figure out how to style it was a little bit difficult. And as of now, I know what to do. I actually have a video that I did post previous to this one, and I'll have that in the card section for you guys, showing you how I style my hair. But I do have a wash and go coming up soon if you guys are interested in that. And also, I think I actually did go shorter after this video. So, and you'll see that in the styling video that I have already posted to my channel. But yeah, I attempted to style and it just wasn't working out, so I didn't end up styling in this video. But check out the card section, like I said, and you can check out the styling video that I do have for you guys. So make sure you leave requests down below for any natural hair videos you want me to do with my new big chop, and I'll be sure to get those up for you guys. I have some product reviews coming up soon as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, comment down below, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, savages.